I don't know kung dito pa ba si Boss Yuri Dope, no? So, pinerform nila to sa, um, yung Get Right sa Upfair. I'm sorry, kasi nagbabackread ako eh. Mukhang marami tayong mga requests na hindi pa natin nagagawa. So, kaya nagbabackread ako. Upfair. Upfair? 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 Get Right. Upfair. Ano bang malinaw na ano dito? May choreography ba ang Get Right? UP Fair. UP Fair. God damn it, man. Tataka up fair? Inisip ko ano yung meaning ng up fair eh. Up fair? UP Fair. Diyos ba, mukhang malinaw naman to. Get Right, no? Sa Up Fair. I guess this is like around 2024, no? 2024 sila nag-ano, diba? Yung parang solo era nila.
I wanna see everyone dancing. Bottom back again and keep it clean. You was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I'm mistake. I'm burning rubber like a demon on a mistake. Like an engine, you can tell it's James. When the plane make you bounce, sell a bass, better ounce. Keep my name in their mouths, but it's hard. Showing up and then they'll sing his arm in the house. I'll be deep in my back, like a hit my account, no doubt. You know what I'm about. All of these proof of man, I thought it was a drought. Tell him my best when you know that I'm the count. Who the hell is out? Calling my around.
Oh, ngayon ko na-gets yun ah. What the hell? Sa ano pa, no? Sa performance pa? All I see is purple, man. I thought it was a drought. God damn.
Come on, everybody, on three. Oh my God, a chance.
Usual, no? Usual na utos ng Josh.
Everybody, on three. Oh my God, a chance. Jump, hey, jump.
You know what you're doing. You know? Alam mo ano ginagawa mo, Josh. Mukhang hindi lang si Josh ang nabasa sa gabing...
Papapakilala pa ba ha? Sa dami na pinabulak ko sa kata, alam mo na nabata. Ano hindi na pagsama, pura patama. Sabi ka pa na pangarap. Hey, wala, hindi wala ka ba? Lalabas sa naman ang wala. Pusa, kaya, clear, oso, kaya, walang challenge, weaknesses, kasha, weaknesses. Alam mo, di mo murad. Sabi na talay. Ano, ilan palagi.
Let's go.
You be there. Come on. Hands up. I want y'all to dance on three, okay? Dance up. Come on, jump.
Oh shit. Wala na, nagka-zombie apocalypse na. Nagkagulo na, no? Hindi na nagkadarama yung ata.
Maraming salamat pa UP Fair. Maraming salamat UP Fair. And of course, sa mga hip-hop artists, maraming salamat.
God damn.
Salamat po sa pagtayo ng industriya. At syempre, remember na rin,
Isa pa daw na. Oh man, I feel like we're overdue, man. Parang kailangan natin yung isa pang album, no? From Josh. Shit! Another album. By the way, meron akong isang parang prediction na, I mean, kinda. Ay, hindi rin pala. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko, parang kailangan na natin ng bagong, like we need an album or kahit a new song kay Justin because again, we only react sa mga solos ni Ken, 'di ba, ni Pablo, ni Josh, sometimes kay Stel because si Stel meron siyang parang EP, right? Pero hindi masyado kay Justin kasi wala naman siya masyadong single, no? Pero may lalabas siyang single, 'di ba? May lalabas single sa 19. So, medyo parang kahit pa paano na-predict ko 'yon, no? Kasi we're overdue, long overdue, man, for a new song. Hindi pwedeng yung kaibigan ng kaibigan ang mapakinggan natin, no? Nakaka-trauma na 'yan. Ito pa, nilabas pala tong Get Right remix bago nag Hip-Hop Artist of the Year si Josh. Diba, meron tayong kaalaman, no? Galing kay Boss Yuri Dope. I mean, di ko matandaan kasi na yun pala yung timeline na yon.